Welcome, today I am in Alfa Romeo Giulia and I will show you how you can change distance units. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll to the units and language. Go for the units and we can pick Imperial, metric or custom. Let's go for the custom. And as you can see right here we got distance. Currently we set up kilometers, but we can change for the miles and kilometers. So we can decide, you have to just tap once on button and you will be able to change between kilometers and the miles. I'm going to stay with this option. So after that you can just go back, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.